How to become DoorDash driver. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you the procedure on becoming a DoorDash driver. So what you wanna do is, first thing first, you wanna make sure to meet the requirement. First thing is your age. That means you have to be at least 18 years old. Next, you wanna have any sort of transportation and a valid driver license for a motor vehicle, insurance, and a social security number or social insurance number are required as well. So next, what you want to do is, first thing first, open your DoorDash app on your device. After you've opened up, then you want to go to the profile from the top right corner of the screen. Moving on, you want to go to settings from the list. As you go to settings, you want to scroll down, and there you'll be able to find become a dasher. You select this link, and this is going to take you to the other web page where you just want to make sure to log in, entering your credentials, and select what you'd like to apply for. Since you're going to apply for or become a DoorDash driver, select the driver, and you will be asked to provide in all the required documents necessary, and that's when you become a DoorDash driver. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.